So in today's film, we want to see just how scary it is to drive a Porsche 911 Turbo S with more than 1,000 horsepower. And the cool thing is, I will not be doing it alone. This one has got 1,100 horsepower. So here we have two 992 Turbo S 911s, and they are from FPM, Friedrich Performance Manufaktur. The guys that make these cars about as crazy as we do our cars. Nothing normal about it. As you can see, with quite a bit of carbon fiber, especially here in the front and also wrapping around to the sides. The bonnet, complete carbon fiber, air outlets over there. The side, you can see the suspension on this car quite low with those gorgeous, gorgeous rims that happen to fit with my jacket. Moving along to the side, carbon fiber side skirt, mirror caps, the triangles behind this. This car's got a carbon fiber roof as well. These inlets over here in carbon fiber, and at the rear, the prize of this car really has to be this massive spoiler in carbon fiber with a little bit of a carbon fiber lip just to accentuate that roughness. Now towards the rear, a very aggressive rear diffuser. The entire thing in carbon fiber wrapping around right to the front, just behind that rear tire, and of course the exhaust system. But that is all aesthetical. There's a lot of mechanical things that have been done to this car as well. The suspension, the exhaust system, the power upgrade to that car, and then of course we get to the other. Actually, we said we're going to leave together. We are sat in the Turbo S with 1,069 horsepower. That's what it says on the side, and that's what you can get, no problem whatsoever. But this one has a little bit more up its sleeve, to be honest. This one has got 1,100 horsepower. And it is quite frankly so freaking frightening to drive this.
So it should be the other way around, because he's more the guy who fits in a Spider, I think, for my opinion. Let me know what you think.
It behaves totally different to any normal 911. Oh mother, it's quick in a different level. Seriously. is relentless. I am honestly a little bit on the petrified side. Oh. So, what have we got in the back? 3.8 litre flat 6-cylinder twin turbocharged. This car, new turbochargers, bigger turbochargers, new intercoolers, bigger intercoolers, and the software to match that. Now, it says 1,069 on the side because that is generally what you can get if you order this car.
So I know exactly what Bjorn is telling you, that this car has twice as much horsepower as the GT3 RS he drove before. But that's not the funny thing. The funny thing is it has 1,069 horsepower. Why 69? Why?
So, what does it give us performance-wise? Well, let's see. There's no way in the world that I can actually put my foot down. No way. It'll rip the camera off the brackets. That is super fast.
Yeah. It's moving. It's moving. Okay, that car is fun. That's fun. And I think that's the car. If I have to choose a Porsche, it would be for 100% this one. Because the RS models like the GT3 RS, GT4 RS, it's, in my opinion, it's too slow on the straight line, on the highway, on these kind of roads. I know every curve, every racetrack, it's perfect. That's for 100%. But I don't drive on a racetrack. So I drive on the street, and for that the GT3 RS and GT2 RS is correct. GT3 RS and GT4 RS is way too slow. So like this, the Turbo S with 1,069 horsepower. Whoa. Yep. I think that's a cool daily driver. The only thing, I would take the Coupe, but Bjorn told me I'm not allowed to drive it, so I have to drive the Cabrio. Bjorn, why? It's loud without the roof.
It's honestly mesmerizingly wicked. The owner told me that he took this out and clocked 370 kilometers per hour. 370 in a 911. What kind of motor quality do you have that can take that and be fine? I am sure that Maurice is having the absolute time of his life. Yes, he's loving this.
Yeah, it's moving.
He loves, you know, that feeling of being free, wind in his hair. I can imagine he's saying a ton of good things about that Porsche. Maybe he's even going to get one.
Nah. So, guys, if you liked the video, feel free to subscribe, hit the like button and give us some comments. And let me know what you think about the color choice. Black with golden wheels. We see us soon, I guess. Peace.
There we go. Very exciting, but very, very short little drive in an 1100 horsepower 911 Turbo S. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. Would this be your cup of tea or not? Certainly would be mine. Shout out to FPM, Friedrich Performance Manufaktur, for doing this amazing work on these cars. Absolutely amazing. You fell in love with it, right? I thought you would love it with the wind in your hair.
Yeah, it's pretty perfect.
Yeah, perfect, just like you, baby.
Sorry?
Nothing.